Stocks on the deep. We have BOXL, ATCH, PBM, and YAAS. So we'll begin with BOXL down 37.84%. I believe did it gain something yesterday? Most certainly not. So intraday high yesterday, 10.15 dollars. Is it a case of contracting expansion? Let's see. BOXL. Yeah, it has to be that. Yeah, it's contracting the expansion of yesterday of the previous session. Well, for some reason, the algos are saying that it should still remain strong up till Wednesday the 24th. Then, okay, and then another further contraction will ensue from Thursday the 25th. Yeah, from Thursday the 25th. Yeah, that's what it's saying. Yes. Yeah. Okay, what's the news? Okay, we'll find out what the news is. So projections are saying 2.49, 2.58. They're all downward projections. Yeah. Okay. Price pressure momentum. I think. Let's see what we have. They're still trending. Yeah, even with a 30% loss. So the stock. Let's see when did it start showing the strength. It began on Friday the 19th. So Friday 19th, and then yesterday the 22nd. So 2 straight days of gains ensured that even with a 30% decline, day 10 and 21-day moving averages are still trending. However, the second derivatives are bearish, indicating that sellers are and profit taking, sellers and profit takers they are making the most of what they can of the strength that the stock has. I mean, it's clearly evident here. Yeah, as a result of that, the stock is facing selling pressure. So let's see what we have. Okay, we might have a look at the prospects of downward projections. Okay, let's see. Boxlight stock runs the risk of a massive crash. Here's why. That was yesterday. More than soared 500% yesterday. More than 6% increase in the share price. Okay, seems to be driven by retail momentum and meme stocks enthusiasm fueled by speculative chatter rather than substance. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. Even for Nvidia, if it runs up a huge amount of gain in one session, it will pull back. It will pull back as well massively. I mean, it will pull back the subsequent one or subsequent sessions thereafter. Okay, let's see what we have for. Okay, I was going to see what the downward projections are saying. I mean, the market grid is saying for the stock. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, 2.75. So the stock is currently at 2.97. It is now at the bottom of its, yeah, just right at the top of the bottom of the market grid. So there's a good chance it may continue to print lower prices, just as well the algo seems to be suggested, but not immediately. Okay, but yeah, the prospect of of that happening is there. So you just need to be very much aware of that. But outside that, projections go all the way towards. I mean, the market grid goes all the way towards 6.79. Intraday high here is 10.15. Okay, still relevant. Okay, let's see what we have for ATCH. ATCH. ATCH down 21.36%. Okay, let's see. Okay, underlying trend bearish. Is it a case of contracting expansion? No, it's not. The stock has been printing. It seems been relentlessly printing lower prices. Yeah, yeah, contracting expansion. Yes, it is, but not. It wasn't. The expansion wasn't didn't occur yesterday. It occurred last week. Last week Wednesday the 17th. So it's still contracting that expansion. Broken through the 10-day moving average now on the 21-day moving average. Let's have a look and see price pressure momentum. What it's saying. Okay, okay, interesting. Okay, so they are still in trend mode. The 10 and 21-day moving averages are still in trend mode. What are we looking about? What we're talking about here? 10 days ago. So that will be 10 days ago. When was that? 10 days ago will be uh, 9th of February or 8th of February. Let's say 8th of September. Yeah. Okay. See where you can see why. Then this is where the two moving averages were as of then. They were the price was 0.1986 and the stock is trading at 0.45. So yeah, well the danger is creeping in gradually, but yeah, for some reason they everything is robust here. Everything is robust, but it has given up. It has actually given up. Well, okay. I think in the midst of all of that, buying is still people are buying. I think they're buying the deep, indicating. I mean, expecting a bounce. That's probably why we have this moving averages. The derivatives of this of the two moving averages looking robust, and indeed also the price pressure momentums are still robust. So in the midst of this decline, people have been trying to buy the deep, but it's not. It hasn't worked yet. So I think at least what it indicates is that there seems to be some support. We have here downward projection of $0.3. Okay, yeah, quite fascinating. Quite fascinating. Intraday high printed on that day 2.41. Do we have any news for ATCH? Not really, no. Before that happened, the company disclosed their 10K disclosure. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's going on with PBM. PBM. PBM down 20.47%. I think it looks like a case of a contracting expansion that happened on the 17th. On that day, intraday high $7.93. Let's see. PBM. PBM. Let's see what we have. No extrapolations. Okay. Upper projections are saying 9.63, 10.61, 12.37, 14.06, and this 7.93 intraday high. Okay, underlying trend is bearish, and these projections have been the algos have been reiterating them since let's just say since the 11th of August. Every day, every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. Nothing is coming up. Nothing has come up. This is yeah. Since that time, nothing has shown up. Well, it attempted to came close with this intraday high of 7.93. Fell short. Yes. Let's see what the price pressure momentum is saying. There isn't news out there. Okay, everything is okay apart from the negative second derivatives on this stock. Yeah, it's indicating that selling pressure is yeah is creeping in. Is affecting some of those moving averages. Some of those positions opened. So the positions opened. Yeah, of late. Yeah, they may be decaying. Yes, they may be decaying. Yeah, they are eroding them. They've been eroding them, going by, yeah, going by that. They've been inching them away. Yeah. Okay, so that it's clearly a case of contracting the expansion. Yes, expansion that happened on Thursday the 18th. So let's quickly see what the market grid is saying for PBM. Let's see what it's saying here down here. The price is currently 3.61. Yeah, okay, so the stock is okay, it's outside of its market grid, this market grid. So there's a good chance lower prices may continue to print. Yeah, I'm afraid there's a good chance it may continue to print. Let's quickly have a look at the 4 hour chart. It may give us a different picture. On the 4 hour chart, okay, it's still within the grid, and you can see that, yeah, lower prices, just as I thought, extrapolated to keep printing. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, and 361. Okay, yeah, it's still within that. It's the right. It is neutral on this 4 hour chart, but the algos are suggesting lower prices will keep printing anyway. The 10 period moving average is severely bearish. Severely bearish. Let's see what the 21 period is saying, indicating that positions opened over the last 40 hours are already sinking. Yeah, they're underwater already. Let's see what the 21 period is saying, also underwater as well. But the derivatives are positive, indicating that people are buying the dip. But I don't know if that's going to be of any support. It's going to offer any support. Projections 2.85 and 6.59 on this 4 hour chart. Okay, let's see what's going on with YAAS. YAAS down 8.6% on Friday, intraday high of 1.0148. So of course, you know the stock is going to delist by the 2nd of October. Yeah, they can't maintain their listing on. We'll find out where it is they are listed. We can't maintain their listing, so they have filed to delist. But it's still a draw. It's on Nasdaq. Yeah, that's where they're listed. So yeah, just be very much aware of what's going on. Yeah. So extrapolation is saying, let's see whether we can magnify and see. Extrapolation is saying, yeah, it's saying that it's going to contract. Yeah, I mean, this weakness is going to remain in place up till Tuesday, up to midday today. Okay, it should be done by now. And then after that, we may have a bounce by tomorrow the 23rd, and may remain that way up till Wednesday pre-market session. And it's actually extrapolating that we may have a bounce by Thursday. Sorry, we may have a bounce by, yeah, Thursday closing session of Thursday the 25th. Even expected to remain strong up to Friday. Okay, no guarantee that that will be the case. Yeah, no guarantee at all that that will be the case. Projections are saying, let's see, 0.0. Okay, we have 0.0631, 0.0754, 0.1023, 0.1194, 0.13. Yeah. Well, in the interim, there's no. If you know how you're going to play the stock, if you know how make the most of it, it's going away. It's going away anytime soon. So this is it's a 4 hour chart. That's what we just looked at right now, and that's what the extrapolation is saying. Yeah, it's saying that by Thursday, okay, Friday's pre-market session, it should be bouncing, and Should hold this trend up to Monday's the close of Monday the 29th. There's absolutely no guarantee that's going to happen like that. It's a long time from now. That's a long time from now. There's no guarantee that will happen. Price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have down here. Yeah, the 10 period moving average is severely bearish. That is indicating that positions opened over the last 40 hours are seriously underwater. However, the ones opened as 84 hours ago are still good. They are still good. They are they're still good. However, we have negative derivatives there, indicating that the selling pressure is affecting some of those positions. It seems, but the 10 period moving average also has robust positive derivatives, indicating that people are buying the dip. Let's have a look and see how this is playing out. It should be very active here. Yeah, I told you that. You can see that 498. Sure, this they want to go in at 0.762. Okay, they want to buy the deep, buy cheap. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what's going on. You can see 0. People are expecting it to. Yeah, it's looking a lot of involvement is here. Look at that. Yeah, yeah. People are 107, 197. This is 0.08. People are actively expecting things to come out. Yeah, 0.07. This is yeah, lower prices. People are also expecting it to plunge for them to jump in. We are 0.065, 0.0611. Or it could even be, you never know. Some of this we may be short selling. Yeah, let's see what we have here on the. Yeah, you can see that 19,000. This is quintuplet. Yeah, it is. It is. It should be quite liquid. Liquidity should be good. I think. Yeah. So people, it's a penny stock. It will be heavily traded. Yeah, very very heavily traded. Yeah, the participation will be high, and sub penny stock, as a matter of fact, not trading up to $1. So let's come down to the 1 hour chart. Sorry, the daily chart and see. Okay, yeah. What do we have here? Price pressure momentum. Okay, there the derivatives. Okay, 10-day moving average still trending, but derivatives have decayed, indicating that yeah, selling pressure is imminent. It's creeping in, and definitely no support for positions that are still open. 21-day moving average totally gone. Yeah, projections here saying 5.66. What are the odds of that happening? This was as of the 31st of July. So have a look at the stocks and you know see what you make of them. And thank you very much for watching this video.